That's loud.
You missed that about cars? You got a radio?
Let's do
That's
this.
considered your mask. Oh man, I'm limping.
What's wrong?
I was playing basketball, but actually I crashed my bicycle, my mountain bike. No.
Thank you. Oh, this is sick. Arigato. Bro, every 5 seconds it's okay Google with this damn Cardo headset.
Oh, really? Cardo's a good brand.
No, it's good, but
Scala?
Senna?
Scala, is that the other brand? I used to have
Oh no, I don't know.
Scala, I think.
What are you getting, by the way?
Just a shake.
Damn.
Maybe in a cookie.
Yeah, I was gonna get something else
Shake
too.
and a cookie. Or you know, they have pretty good grilled cheese.
I'm gonna get fries and a shake.
Oh yeah. You know, have you tried the animal fries?
Yeah, but that's too much right now.
Yeah. There's no more mask.
Hey, I'm pretty sure. I don't know.
They took the signs out. It says no mask. The pandemic's over, bro.
Damn Trump supporter.
Yeah. I'm just kidding.
Well, you're like the most middle ever.
Just get this straight. I voted for Biden, but people make fun of me as a Trump supporter because I look like one, I guess. I'm cool with it. I play the act.
Oh.
But yeah, we're good.
You guys just looking at me. What was the pen?
Pay with your phone. You don't even need
Damn,
to
thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Damn, bro, I look like an astronaut up in here, bro.
No, your gear is fresh. Yeah, thank you. Yes, please, actually. Oh, grab the straw,
Oh.
Thank you. You too. Should we eat in here or outside? It's colder in here, so it's
What?
heating.
You don't want to eat on your trunk bed?
Yeah, we could. But you're not hot in the gear?
Is that a thing though? Like
What? Oh, eating at the truck bed?
vanilla milkshake from In-N-Out. These things slap, bro. Oh, highlight of my day. Shout out to the homie for hooking it up. Yo, isn't it crazy that we just see Kiwi's old bike here? He knows what's up.
Oh. You know? Can I have you try this? You dip the French fries in the milkshake. Have you tried that before? You dip the milk.
I've seen it. I've never tried it.
Yeah, let's try it. Let's do a taste.
You got cup holders, bro? Is that what this for?
Yeah, it is.
Actually?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Please, let's try this on camera. Let me get your impression of this. Like in the comment for this. If you have done this.
Sadie, bro, you wanna call on the channel with me, bro? You're
Yeah,
really
bro.
good.
I miss having
Weekly videos, man. Come on.
Hey, can I do a plug? Sari Sabai, my YouTube channel. No,
Edit this out. No, I'm just kidding. I'll link
Shameless plug.
I'll link you. I learned how to do that little.
Oh my god, I'm making a mess.
Bro, it's so refreshing. Yo, let's back. I sent him a
Yeah,
picture.
that's so funny. You know what? That bike, there must be an employee here because
Yeah,
I've seen it here before. Actually, I can't say that because I sold both my bikes for $1,300.
Let me get a picture of this real quick.
I shouldn't have even said that. You guys are gonna comment on me. Do you know that? I sold
bro,
both
I know.
my bikes.
I was with Saleh when I heard the news. I was in the Saleh. No, I already got a picture. I was with Saleh in the car, and he looks at me. He's like, "Bro, you know, Sadie sold his bikes." I was like, "No way." He's like, "Yeah, he did it 2 hours ago." I was like, no way.
Sorry, dude.
Both of them. Look at this new wallpaper I got though. I got it this morning.
That's crazy.
It was free. It was $2, but then
What, you bought a wallpaper, dude?
No, it's free, bro.
Oh.
It was $2, but like they made it free.
Oh, nice.
This YouTube thing is so much fun, bro. I swear to God. just
Yeah.
it brings a whole
Get in
nother.
front of the camera. Let him let him see how fresh
hidden
you
identity.
are. Let me see how. Are you serious?
Do that, trust me.
Yeah.
No shame.
Look, I've been sucking for like an hour and barely did anything.
Bro, I like that little crew that they got going on right there.
Oh. Hey, no, we're not cutting this out. We're gonna check out this. Hey, look at that. What up? I love it. Corolla hatchback. We did a roll shot. What do they call those?
Welcome back, boys. Bro,
Coming out. Yeah, thank you.
appreciate you coming out. It's gonna make a banger video.
Did you get you should if you got good footage of the ice cream and the french fries, you should make that.
A separate video or what?
Yeah, probably even a separate video, yeah.
Yo! So I don't know if this is the same video or a new one, but that was super dope. I just came from hanging out with my boy. It's been a minute, man. That was crazy. Every time it's a blast. Let me drive his truck.